How to set up Doordash for my business. I am going to show you how you can easily set up Doordash for my business. First, go to the sign up page for restaurants on the Doordash website. You will need to fill in basic details like your restaurant's name, address, phone number, and email. After completing the form, you will be asked for more info about your eatery, like its type and how many locations you have. If you are a local restaurant with 1 to 5 spots or a virtual one taking only takeout orders, you can proceed the same way. Next, add your menu to the Doordash app. You can either link it to from your website or upload a PDF directly. Also, make sure your store hours are updated, so you only get orders when you are open. Once your menu is up, choose how you will take orders and check the commission rates. Options include a free Doordash tablet during the trial period, orders via email or fax, or a tablet and printer combo for a fee. During the 30-day free trial, check the commission rates, which apply afterward. Lastly, provide your legal and bank info, like business name, tax ID, owner's name, and bank details. Once your Doordash account is set up, keep all info current to make sure customers get accurate details when ordering for a smooth experience. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.